Raising the stakes without risk, using the Rotocut rotary cross-cutter range from Vits, a diverse product range that pays for itself. Vits, the technological advantage in web offset printing. High speed with absolute precision. The Vits Rotocut HS is designed to produce more than 70,000 sheets per hour, up to 20 cuts per second. It's thus vital that finishing operations are performed extremely effectively. Production optimization, fully utilizing the performance of the Rotocut HS, requires installation of an automated pallet supply and pile disposal system. The fastest cross-cutter in the world, the Vits Rotocut HS, is then able to transcend new dimensions of productivity. And so it should come as no surprise that the world record in sheet cutting set by Vits at the Drupa exhibition in Düsseldorf hasn't been broken yet. The Rotocut HS is the high-speed end product of decades of ongoing development of the most successful cross-cutter range designed for the web offset printing industry. Vits is now offering its Rotocut machine, which has stood the test of time, in two versions, tailored to optimum customer benefit in each case. Numerous new developments and improvements have led to improved problem-free operation, enhanced productivity and greater variability of the product range. Vits Rotocut S and Rotocut HS. In addition, Vits, as a technology leader, has consistently utilized its experience to augment the product range in the cutter sector with the development of the Vits Multicut, designed for different cut-off lengths for the paper and carton processing industry. The Vits Rotocut S is used in all applications involving high machine utilization at speeds of up to 9.1 meters per second. It's suitable for processing very different printing substrates with grammages ranging from about 30 to 250 grams per square meter. The Vits Rotocut S offers certain advantages that distinguish this range of rotary cross-cutters from the competition, such as gentle web feed thanks to the unique Vits flotation strip technology, compact design, ease of operation, and high cost-effectiveness. The Vits Rotocut S, with its incomparable multifunctionality, offers those advantages necessary to satisfy special market requirements. Even narrow webs with a minimum width of 400 millimeters can be processed. The maximum web width is up to 1450 millimeters depending on the model. As a result, the Vits Rotocut S can also be used with rotary presses for 24, 32 and 48 pages. Up to 52,000 copies per hour can be processed with the Vits Rotocut S at a cut-off length of 630 millimeters, for example. Production with half cut-off lengths is also possible as an option in combination with the Vits ILD. For example, 4x4, 2x6 or 2x8 page products can be delivered pre-folded. In order to guarantee even web tension, the web is fed in at the cutting point via its own in-feed unit. This is an essential precondition for the incomparably high cut-off accuracy of the entire Rotocut range. The paper web is cut by the fixed lower knife and the rotating knife cylinder. After it's cut, the sheet is transported in a copy stream and extremely gently, almost without contact, with the aid of flotation strip technology developed by Vits, to the sheet delivery, where it's carefully stacked. The height of the upper edge of the pile is monitored, and the pile is continuously lowered to ensure perfect pile stacking. The pile change is carried out semi-automatically at full production speed. The new Vits Rotocut HS meets the highest performance requirements of web offset printing. Even the new, unique design reflects these exacting demands. The Rotocut HS is able to process more than 70,000 sheets per hour at speeds of more than 12 meters per second or up to 20 cuts per second without any problems. So it's ideally suited for demanding production requirements in continuous operation. The cutoff accuracy is enhanced to the maximum due to the optimum adjustment of the web tension with the aid of direct servo drives. The number of misprints is reduced to a minimum thanks to the register control, which is adjustable through 360 degrees during startup or after washing the printing plates. Pile replacement can also be performed nearly fully automatically using the newly developed rolling table technology. During pile replacement, the rolling table slides beneath the freshly cut sheets, enabling the formation of an intermediate pile. This is then very carefully placed on the new pallet. The ergonomically designed control panel facilitates the control and monitoring of all production data. Monitoring and possible correction of the data can be performed remotely from any location in the world via the modem connection. The Vits Rotocut HS can be fully integrated into an automated material throughput system in order to fully utilize the productivity of the cross-cutter. In this case, special conveyor systems manage the pallet handling, thus ensuring non-stop, fully automatic operations. Continuous flow production can be adjusted to individual operating conditions to deliver optimum results. Constant material flow from the press line via buffer zones right up to finishing is thus guaranteed. This is really the most cost-effective means of optimizing production. The construction and the compact design ensure that both the Vits Rotocut S and the Vits Rotocut HS are easy to service and maintain. The freely programmable control system, as well as the central multifunctional display, which shows all available current production information, relieve the burden on the operating personnel. The Vits Rotocut S and the Vits Rotocut HS now offer the printing industry a cross-cutter range which meets all practical application requirements. The cross-cutters of the Rotocut product range, the Vits Rotocut S and the Vits Rotocut HS, are setting new technological and economic standards, tailored to the needs of the market, developed and built in order to actively define the future of rotary offset printing. The cards have been reshuffled. Make sure you have the trumps.